हमारे चहेतों पे, दोस्तों पे, तो सबसे पहले कोई खड़ा होता है तो उसका नाम है शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा। आपका शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा खड़ा होता है और हमेशा खड़ा होगा आपके लिए। मैं शाहरुख के सामने नहीं कह रहा हूँ, शाहरुख के खुद कई बार कहा, मैंने वहां भी हड़काया उन लोगों को। यह गलत बात है। एक कलाकार के साथ कैसी छेड़छाड़ कर रहे हैं? ये फिल्म आ रही, जलन है क्या? कैसी तकलीफ है आपको? इसलिए इस समारोह में एक तरफ जहां मैं अभिनंदन करता हूं, बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामना, और शाहरुख खान को बहुत बहुत शुभाशीष देता हूं, वहीं शाहरुख खान की एनर्जी किंग, पैशन किंग को आज के दिन कहता हूं कि ये शेर याद रखो, जो आप पे भी लागू होता है, जैसे और मुझ पे भी लागू होता है, खासकर चुनाव की घड़ी में, कि चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, चिराग देखकर मेरे मचल रही है हवा, कई दिनों से बहुत तेज चल रही है हवा, बना रहे थे जो किस्से है मेरी तबाही के, उन्हें खबर ही नहीं कि रुख बदल रही है हवा। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, लॉन्ग लिव शाहरुख खान एंड लॉन्ग लिव फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आप खुद बोल रहे हो सीनियरिटी से बात करेंगे। खैर, dignitaries on the dais, I won't take much of your time. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for everything, and all I can say is Yash ji, Mr. Yash Chopra is definitely here in spirit and smiling from above and blessing his very own favorite, one of his favorite actors, Shah Rukh Khan, not only a great actor, a great phenomenon, and all I can say personally, Shah Rukh, you're an actor par excellence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rekha ji. अब आपकी बारी है।
नमस्कार। बिल्कुल तशरीफ रखिए आप। अव्वल तो मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ, आप सब जानते हैं, इसलिए मैं हमेशा की तरह गुलजार साहब का सहारा ले रही हूँ और उनका एक नज़्म है, उसमें से मैं एक शेर मैं पढ़ना चाह रही हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये शेर। रूह देखी है कभी, रूह को महसूस किया है, जिस्म 100 बार जले तब भी वही मट्टी का ढेला, रूह एक बार जलता है तो वो कुंदन बनता है। रूह देखी है कभी, रूह को महसूस किया है। प्यारे दोस्तों, मैंने रूह को कभी देखा तो नहीं, लेकिन एक बहुत पाक और ख़ास रूह को महसूस ज़रूर किया है। वो शख्स पता नहीं कितने बार उसने उसकी रूह को उसने मारा, बचपन से लेके आज तक, तभी तो वो कुंदन की तरह चमकता रहा और आज भी चमक रहा है। मेरी परवरदिगार से यही दुआ है कि जितना हम लोगों को उसने खुश किया, ये बहुत एक ज़हीन इंसान है, बेइंतहा हुनर कूट कूट के उसके नस नस में भरा हुआ है, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा तो प्यार जो आप सब लोग देख चुके हैं, महसूस कर चुके हैं। बस मेरी दुआ यही है कि अपनी अंदर की जो वो कुंदन है उसको और तराशे, उसको और चमकते रहे हो और चमकाते रहे, और पूरी कायनात में उसका जो वो चमक है वो हम सबको दिखाई दे। बस मेरी ये दुआ है। And for those of you people who have not understood a word what I've said, I just want to share a little memory of mine that I have with Shah Rukh Sahab. We were traveling to some show and we were on the airplane, and I was shooting those days for a change Yes, I do that sometimes. I was so tired working day and night, and I had almost gone off to sleep when I was woken by, रेखा जी प्लीज़ उठिए ना, प्लीज़ एक मिनट प्लीज़ उठिए ना जल्दी से, और खिड़की नीचे कीजिए और ज़रा प्लीज़ नज़ारा देखिए ना, बाहर कितना खूबसूरत एक सनसेट है, प्लीज़ देखिए ना, उसके बाद सो जाइएगा, प्लीज़ देखिए ना। मैंने खैर सनसेट को तो देखा नहीं, लेकिन पलट के स्लो मोशन में इनकी तरफ देखा, वो थे शाहरुख खान। तो उस वक्त मैंने उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखा कि भैया ये हमारी बिरादरी का इंसान है। तो दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर मी, दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर यू। दुआओं के साथ, बेहद ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ आप सब से विनती है, सबसे पहले मैं प्रणाम करूंगी और नमस्कार करूंगी ऑनरेबल विद्यासागर जी को, और यहाँ उपस्थित सारे मेरे दोस्त और बहन और प्यारी प्यारी छोटी बहन पैमी जी और सुबीरामी जड्डी जी। इफ आई मे प्लीज़ टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू से सॉरी एंड थैंक यू अगेन, बिकॉज पिछले साल जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मुझे नवाजा गया है इस अवार्ड से, और मैं इतनी भावुक हो गई, इतनी मैं इमोशनल हो गई, और इतनी मैं यश जी को याद करते करते मैं एकदम सेंटिमेंटल हो गई कि इनका शुक्र अदा करना मैं भूल गई। तो थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने मुझे चुना है, और विदाउट फर्दर अडू आप ज़ोरदार दोस्तों ज़ोरदार तालियों के साथ शाहरुख जी को उनका इस्तकबाल कीजिए और उनसे कहिए कि कुछ दो शब्द कहें।
वो एक्टिंग में भूल गया है। प्रोटोकॉल फर्स्ट मस्ट गिव अवार्ड, ऑनर हिम, देन ही विल स्पीक, दैट इज द प्रोसीजर। बैठो। आई मीन नाउ आई एम द डायरेक्टर, यू मस्ट लिसन व्हाट डायरेक्टर सेज। नाउ बिफोर गिविंग, नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट यू एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट रेखा टू गिव दिस स्वर्ण कंकण।
चलना पहले शुरू करवा, आजा, गवर्नर साहब को दे दिया तूने?
हाँ दिया ना,
तो इनको बुलाओ ना सामने। कौन है?
first of all thank everyone here on the dais, Padmini ji, Doot Saab, Shashi Saab, Shatru Saab, Subbarami Reddy Saab. He's been also, as you noticed, figuring out how the function should proceed. So, thank you for the extra benefit, apart from having called us here. No extra time for that, but thank you for the job you did. And thank you, Simi ji, Pam auntie. Thank you for waiting so long and taking this time out and thinking of me as the next recipient of the Yash Chopra Award, Memorial Award. Thank you, Jayaprada ji. I have to say it, as inappropriate as it may sound. All my young life, I had the hots for you, but I just never got the opportunity to say it. You're telling all good stories, me coming to your house. I just found you extremely good looking and, okay, I'm getting carried away. Governor Saab is here, so I should not. Thank you, Anu. And last but not the least, I would like to presume I'm her favorite because all the awards, important awards I've got in my life have been given to me by this lady. Thank you, Rekha ji, for loving me so much. And so before I say anything else, and thank you, all my colleagues, directors and producers and friends who are here and been kind enough to wait so long to listen to this. But before I move on to what this award means to me or what Mr. Yash Chopra meant to me or what I became because of Mr. Yash Chopra, I'd just like to say I have, I come and I work. I've been here working 25 years and there is nothing else I know but to just wear makeup in the morning, go and do my job, sometimes get it right, more often than not get it wrong. There's been extreme love from the film industry. And when I came to Mumbai, I'd lost my mother and my father, and my sister wasn't well. I had no family, and before I knew it, from the first day onwards, some of them are present here on the dais, and that's why I'm bringing this up, and others who are not here, but the Mumbai film industry, the Indian film industry, everyone adopted me so much that today I have a family of more than 1 billion. So thank you so much, the Indian film industry and everyone here on the dais. Today when Shatru Saab speaks, I do tend to gain in confidence that if there is any panga I have in the future, or I've had in the future before this, and I do get into pangas, I know who to call, who you're going to call, Khamosh. So thank you so much. It gives you confidence, it gives you strength. Padmini ji I've known for years. I think one of the most beautiful young actresses of our times, at a very early age, the kind of performances always led the path for actors, yearning actors like me to look up to and say how wonderfully she's acted in the films that she did. And whenever I've met her, she met me with immense amount of kindness and love. So thank you, Padmini ji, for saying what you said, thinking of me as a fine actor too. So thank you very much. That gives me confidence. Simi and, I should call her Simi ji. But Simi and me share a very, very old relationship. I was a nobody. To be featured on the Simi Grewal night show was genuinely when you arrived and became a big star. And I remember she called me upon that. And strangely, that's one of the few interviews. Those were the good old days when you can smoke on television. And she called me, and my wife had delivered her first baby. And it made me an overnight star because I was on the Simi Grewal show. And she gave me that kind of import and believed that I would go on to do well for myself and the film industry. So thank you, Simi, for recognizing and giving me that confidence at that time. Jayaprada ji, of course, I told you, had the hots first. That's I rest my case. I'm going to say different things for you, baby, don't worry. I'm sorry, I don't want to be completely against the protocol and get arrested tonight right here. Even though I have Khamosh behind me. Yeah, you don't know, he might not be able to help me. He might have to go for some campaign for some election. He says, Shahrukh, main ja raha hu. So I don't want to take that chance, so I'll still be here. This is a very special night for me, and I'll start with the fact that this is what I least expected, to get Rakhi tied by Rekha. This has to be the saddest moment of my life. I wanted to tell her when she was recounting that I woke her up in the plane and said, wake up, sunset dekhiye. Kaun namakul sunset dikha raha tha, jane man aapko. हम आपसे बात करना चाह रहे थे, आपकी शक्ल देखना चाह रहे थे. But he was of my nature showing me the sunset. No, I wasn't showing you the sunset, Rekha ji. Not at all. And today God has punished me because as much as I didn't want you to see the sunset and just sit down and chat with me, look you into the eyes and tell you how much I love you, you have tied Rakhi to me. अभी इनसे पहले सुब्बा रामा रेड्डी साहब जो मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं और बहुत सालों से हमको जानते हैं. यस जी, मैं साथ में बैठ के, I have strange bedfellows, यस जी and सुब्बा रामा रेड्डी जी, much beyond my age, and we used to sit down and chat for hours. And he's like Shatru Sahab said, one of the kindest people you'll ever meet. Ever you're in trouble, God forbid, he's the person that you call, and he's always there, in all his glory, in all his outgoingness, in all his love and sharing nature, including the Shivji prayer that he taught us today. Thank you so much. That was really, really cool. I mean, yeah, it was. It sounded like we could make it into a cool rap one day, but it was really nice for praying for us. But and then Pam Auntie specifically, who's like a surrogate mother to me. I've grown up with her in this family, and I know it's too presumptuous of me to keep on saying this, but everyone who works with YesG feels like their child or someone they've loved the most. But I had the fortune of working with him in maximum number of films, if I may say so, if I'm not mistaken, over his career, and and his last film. And Pam Auntie always treated me with love, like her mother. We played our board games and extremely smart at Trivial Pursuit and all the crosswords and stuff that she does. She's amazing. Nobody, and made me, and all these people here and all of you people here, so many of you, thank you for waiting, all of you. I know I'm talking about most of you present, and I know all of you, and to give me the confidence that I can go on, that I can stand here 25 years later, perhaps receiving the biggest honor of my life. And before I leave and thank you more and be even more grateful for this honor, I just want to tell you a few episodes of my life with YesG. When I started with YesG, I started with a film called Dar, in which I was really a bad guy, and I was killing people and misbehaving completely, even without being on drugs. And that was really, really intense. And I remember YesG met me and he said, तू जब तक lover boy play नहीं करेगा ना, तेरा कुछ नहीं होने का है. But I didn't want to be a lover boy. I didn't want to be a person in love. I'm not very good with romance, except when I'm showing sunset to Rekha. That time I'm really cool. But I really am not, and I didn't know if I could. I didn't think I'm good looking enough. I didn't think I'm a pretty boy enough to play romance in films and do the stuff. But he kept on telling me always, जब तक तू love story नहीं करेगा, तेरा career नहीं बनेगा. And when Yash Chopra tells you that, then you say, okay, there must be some sense to it. So if I don't look like a romantic hero, even if I don't act like one, I have to just go by his belief, and I did. And it genuinely did pay dividends. It really has created my career. Yash Chopra has single-handedly created my career for me to become, it's a very strange circle that I should be receiving an award which honors him by the memory of Yash Chopra, and I am who I am because of what Yash Chopra made me do and made me into. So I thank him for that. My second instance that I'd like to tell you about him is that he told me, we had some problems once making a film, and he turned around, and I must have behaved well, and he said, outdoor जब actors जाते हैं ना, तो उनका जब वहाँ पर behavior देखा जाता है, तब मालूम पड़ता है कितने अच्छे होते हैं. ये मुंबई में मालूम नहीं पड़ता है यार. I'm not speaking like him because people think I'm making fun of him. I would do it out of love and say like how YesG told me. पता नहीं चलता यार कि कितना outdoor में मालूम पड़ता है, और outdoor में तू बड़ा शरीफ है यार हर तरह से. So I said thank you, and then I said YesG, but really why do you say that? And I thought he'll give me some spiel. He said, तो बॉम्बे में तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आता है, outdoor पे तो time पे तो आ जाता है at least. And the third was when I was in Kashmir. Like I said, I had never. My father was, his mother was Kashmiri, and he always said that if there is one place in the world that you don't go and see without me, it should be Kashmir. And so I didn't go ever. I remember the Chief Minister Saab, the ex-Chief Minister Saab met me, and he also invited me. I said, मैं नहीं आऊँगा. मेरे पिता ने कहा था, मेरे बाप ने कहा था कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ मेरे साथ जाना, वरना मत जाना. And I didn't go till YesG decided to make Jab Tak Hai Jaan there. And I went. So like I said in the documentary, for me it was going back and going and visiting Kashmir, the most beautiful place in the world that my father said, and I went with my father and my family. So I thank him for that. And I do remember I was giving my last shot, मैं आखिरी shot दे रहा था jeep के ऊपर, and Yash ji did come to me and say, तू जा यार, तू ऐश कर, तेरा last shot हो गया, हमारा भी अभी last shot ही होगा. And like he said in the interview we did 3 weeks before he passed away, that he didn't want to make any more films. But I think somewhere deep down inside, there was one more film I could have done with Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was one more film each one of us could have watched of Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was not just one more film. We could keep on watching one more and one more and one more and one more and do one more and do one more and act in one more and just be a part of one more film of Mr. Yash Chopra. But only the good die young. Allah does take away from you things that are the dearest and the most special. And so did he take away perhaps one of the most creative human beings, one of the simplest, one of the basic, do-gooder, kind-hearted soul I've met in my life. In the last couple of years, I was working with some directors, and you know, you have your conversation with the young people, and I was talking to them, and while talking to them, you know, half an hour I discussed the film we are doing, and 1.5 hours, even till day before yesterday, I think I was with Mr. Anand Rai, the next 1.5 hours, all I discuss is how Mr. Yash Chopra made you feel on the sets, how Mr. Yash Chopra directed you on the set, how Mr. Yash Chopra, more than direction, and made you feel loved you on the set, how Mr. Yash Chopra served you paranthas on the set. So I'm going to miss him. This is an extremely emotional moment, and even though I feel it from the inside, I don't want to externalize it, because this has been a long evening. For me, one of the most important evenings of my life, to be honest, because like I said to begin with, this set of people who are here talking such wonderful, nice things about me, showing me a documentary where I seem to have achieved a lot. None of this is possible if it wasn't for all the beauty and the love and the kindness and gentleness and even now the enthusiasm everybody gives me whenever I meet them. I'm not well-mannered. I've just been well brought up by the Indian film industry. So thank you, all of you belonging to the Indian film industry, for bringing me up so well. And yes, I do agree with Shatru Sahab when he said that His Excellency did mention about that I stand for the culture and I stand for what an Indian should be, and that's a very nice thing to say, sir. So thank you very much for being so kind to me and saying that for each actor and each actress and all of us working hard to make things go better and become as beautiful as the memory of Mr. Yash Chopra. So thank you everyone present here for honoring me with this. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Thank you.
So thank you to all of you. Please have dinner. Please join us.
Ready, sir? Tell me also when to stop.
इमेज इतनी बड़ी था, हिंदुस्तान का फिल्म इतिहास में कोई डायरेक्टर 50 साल कंटिन्यूसली एग्जेम्पलरी वर्क कोई नहीं किया. इट इज ओनली यश चोपड़ा का ग्रेट कंट्रीब्यूशन टू फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, हम दोनों बड़ा दोस्त बन गए थे. हैदराबाद में हम महेश्वरी परमेश्वरी मेरा थिएटर्स में सिलसिला फिल्म रिलीज़ किया था फर्स्ट. जब से हमको दोस्त बन गए. देन हम दोनों मिलके विजय, चांदनी, लम्हे 3 फिल्म बनाए. जब we wanted my luck added his luck added me, and these 3 films were very successful hits. हम बहुत दोस्त बन गए. तो when I was a member of parliament in Delhi, every day I used to speak to me. Anything he needs also I used to attend very close. There is not a single day where we don't talk telephone. So unfortunately, untimely, he passed away and left all of us. So at that time, I felt as his close friend, as a partner, film partner, 2 films, 3 films we बनाए हैं. I must perpetuate his memory. Always, anybody great people, one day you have to leave this world. But what their contribution, what is their memory, सबके दिल में रहना बोले तो ऐसे इवेंट होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए मैं यश चोपड़ा नेशनल मेमोरियल अवार्ड एक इंस्टीट्यूट किया. 10 लाख रुपीस अवार्ड, और उसको एक स्वर्ण कंकण, मालूम ना स्वर्ण मीन्स वो गोल्ड का कंकण देता है साउथ में. स्वर्ण कंकण एंड साइटेशन अवार्ड देने के हम निश्चय किया। तो फर्स्ट ईयर हम लता मंगेशकर जी को दिया है, सेकेंड ईयर अमिताभ बच्चन, थर्ड ईयर रेखा। सो दिस ईयर हमारा जूरी बैठ के, जूरी अंडर माई चेयरमैनशिप पैम जी है और पद्मना कपूर, बोनी कपूर सब है। हम बैठ के शाहरुख खान इज द राइट मैन टू गेट नेशनल Yash Chopra National Memorial Award. He has been so closely associated with him. Besides that, he has an exemplary personality as a film star. He made a remarkable 3.3 billions all over the world. People know him. So we feel proud of Shahrukh Khan, his contribution, and he is a down to earth. तो ऐसे शाहरुख खान को ये साल में देने के लिए हम डिसाइड किया। और गवर्नर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र रेखा, शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, देर ऑल फाइन to honor him and other distinguished guests.
Thank you so much.
आज एसजी का मेमोरियल अवार्ड, इस अवार्ड के सिलसिले में हम सब आए हैं और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि शाहरुख खान जी को इस अवार्ड से नवाजा जा रहा है। मैं एसजी को बहुत सम्मान करती हूँ और ख़ास तौर सुब्रमण्यम रेड्डी जी को मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ। हर साल उन्होंने इस तरह का अवार्ड फंक्शन से यश जी को याद करने का एक मौका देते हैं। धन्यवाद।
लुकिंग वेरी रॉयल इन ड्रेस।
अभी आ रहे हो वापस?
Any association with Mr. Shahrukh Khan? Would you like to share any memories which you had with Mr. Shahrukh Khan?
Actually, बहुत साल पहले we supposed to do a film called नायका वो नायका। सब कुछ सेट हुआ पर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ऐसा है कि फ्लोर पे जाने के टाइम कुछ भी हो सकता है। So that couldn't made. But I am thoroughly, I got a opportunity to see his films and all, and he's an excellent actor.
Which is your favorite film and which is his favorite song जो आपको पसंद है उनका?
He has performed himself first of all in Devdas, because comparatively in so many people, Dilip ji and all, they have done it. It is a challenge for him to do a film called Devdas, and the performance is really excellent. And आने वाले अभी जो फिल्म्स आ रहे हैं, अभी के ट्रेंड के लिए अडॉप्ट करके उस फिल्म्स को सक्सेस करना, इट इज़ अ चैलेंज फॉर एवरी एक्टर। क्योंकि रजनीकांत जी एक बार बताते थे कि हमारा सक्सेस कल तक क्या था ये जनता को ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अब जो है एवरी टाइम वी हैव टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट। सो दैट इज़ द चैलेंज फॉर एवरी आर्टिस्ट। थैंक यू।
Very good evening to both of you.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Are you Shahrukh Khan fans?
Yeah, since childhood, I think everybody.
Who isn't a Shah Rukh
Yeah.
Khan fan is the question.
Any favorite of his movies and a song which you like most?
I think DDLJ, like it's by far, like for Shah Rukh, just for Shah Rukh, I think DDLJ was my most favorite.
And for you?
All Yash Chopra's films, I think.
Any song which you can dedicate it right now for her, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan's song?
I don't know. I can just. I can think
Baby,
of
come
one
on,
song.
Come on, dedicate a song.
Dedicate? No, I can sing one song which I. मुझको हुई न खबर, चोरी चोरी चुप चुप कर, अब प्यार के पहले नजर है ले गई। Yeah, so that.
आपको लगता है कि Mr. Shahrukh Khan, what makes him a bigger star and separates him from others?
He's
I
King
think-
Khan.
I think being a good human being really adds a lot of value, and I don't know him personally, but I have shot an ad with him, and I've seen how respectful he is towards people that he works with and towards his work and his craft. And I think when you respect your craft and you are so talented, nothing can go wrong.
आप वो दिन like हिंदी में थोड़ा रखिए, थोड़ा हिंदी के चैनल्स।
मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरह से किंग खान रोमांस करते हैं अपने को एक्टर्स को, आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी कर पाएगा। हम कितने भी सब लोग यूँ करें, बट आई डोंट थिंक एनीवन कैन डू दैट व्हाट ही डज।
But how you have been like, how is the married life going on and everything?
साथ में आए हैं तो अच्छा ही चल रहा होगा, अलग अलग एंट्री मारते तो प्रॉब्लम होता। नहीं नहीं, इट्स ग्रेट, इट्स गुड।
Anything changed, like any major change you are feeling?
Yeah, we are older. We are 1 year older now.
I don't think I'm old. I'm still young.
Naturally,
Sorry? I cannot comment anything right now. I'm so sorry. But when you all do see things on TV, you all will know what I'm doing. But I can't comment right now. That was a different project altogether. That project is no longer happening. But I can't speak about what is happening. Sorry? The project that I'm doing, I can't comment on that. I'm sorry. जी हम नहीं कर रहे इस साल। जी नहीं।
I don't think it will be possible for us.
No.
but we would have loved to see you.
We would have loved to do that actually because of I think dates issue और थोड़ा कुछ और
dates का issue था, so
चीज़ें हैं।
I think we couldn't make it this year.
Before we request you to do a Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol pose, just tell us about your dress.
Oh, of course I'll tell you about my dress. So I'm wearing Roshni Chopra Designs. She's a very, very dear friend of mine, and more than that, extremely talented in so many fields. So I'm just really happy to wear it. I can never have enough of her clothes. जब भी मैं कोई भी award के लिए कहीं भी जाती हूँ, she's the first designer I think of. So if something works, it's great.
And who decides for Mohit?
Who decides?
Decides for Mohit what he will be wearing.
He's an adult. He decides
I have
himself.
a few pair of clothes. I just pick one and just wear it. I don't.
लगा कि वो आपने choose करती है, आपने
नहीं.
नहीं, लास्ट में परमिशन मैं ज़रूर लेता हूँ कि ये ठीक लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है।
हाँ, that even I ask him कि maybe मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ, but it's just about that. I don't decide what he wears. He has a very good sense of dressing, and I don't need to interfere.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you.
a beautiful, wonderful married life.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Together on the screen soon. And as you go, have a Shah Rukh Khan Kajol pose with us.
No poses. I'm not doing any
अच्छा आप
poses.
शाहरुख खान बनेंगे, चले आइए।
मैं शाहरुख खान बनूँ?
Just last, both of you together. Smile brighter. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, नमस्कार सर।
ये मेरा क्या करना
Thank you.
You have a long life. Hi, how are you?
Very good evening to you.
Good evening to you.
You have been part of the jury. हमें बताइए कि मिस्टर शाहरुख खान को चुना for this award. How you all came into the consensus of deciding on Mr. Shahrukh Khan?
Like this. एक पल में सब ने बोला हाँ हाँ, मैंने सजेस्ट किया था और सब ने बोला हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है।
What makes him different of all the people?
अरे how can I tell you in 3 words? He's fabulous. He's just fabulous. I can't tell you in a few words.
उनकी कोई फेवरेट फिल्म जो आपको पसंद है, उनकी जो फिल्म जो सबसे पसंद हो आपको?
मुझे चकते बहुत पसंद है, चकते इंडिया।
and his song?
Oh, so many songs. I'm crazy about him. I'm a big fan.
Ma'am, any memory with him, like, ma'am, last.
Any plans to bring Ron?
I'm sorry?
Are there any plans to bring your show Ron?
Yes, there are. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening to all of you and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel to be on both awarded Mr. Yash Chopra Memorial Award?
Extremely undeserving, but I'm just happy that somebody somewhere, Reddy Saab, Rekha ji, Prima Aunty and the whole team, the Ranjans, they think I'm good enough to be a part of this amazingly august team of people who won before me.
Ma'am will be presenting the award. Is that how does it feel to be?
Ma'am always presents me the award. So it's a thing between us. Whenever I get the best award in my life, I take it from her.
Ma'am, would you like to say something?
Shahrukh, how special is it considering you had such an amazing association with Yash ji?
I think the reason for this is the genuinely a very gracious, wonderful and fantastic feel that the whole family has given me over the years. So that must be the only reason. It can't be my talent. So it feels very special to be here for Yash Chopra ji's National Memorial Award, and I thank all of them, Subir Reddy, Rani Saab and everybody who was involved in this.
Shahrukh, you've worked with a number of movies, and you both have given us a lot of romantic, memorable movies. What is the one thing that you admire?
I think he was just very basic and very simple. I think he never allowed the craft to take over his art, and he made films from the heart. And he treated, he was a very simple man. And even now, when I'm working with other directors, we speak about an hour about the film that I'm doing with them, an hour about, you want me to take that? Yeah, I can, it's your boyfriend? No, I'm getting very angry. So, but I talk about Yash more with my directors than the film that I'm doing with them. So it just is, it's been an amazing relationship, to be honest. Yeah.
Is there something you feel
starting on the function.
learn from? Of course, there's a lot of things. Something which you think is missing in today's direction when you work with them.
Wrong for me to say that, whoever is making films, I think they all make it with a good heart. And if they want to learn something from someone, they should go ahead and learn it. But I can't be the one suggesting that, to be honest.
Shahrukh, CBFC has recently raised objection for the movie Lipstick Under My Burqa.
And you can ask me about the politics in UP also after this, right?
No,
I'm surely going to comment on this, yeah.
But
I have no idea. I'm on holiday for the last 2 days.
That you've turned down the script of Mr. Bhansali, which was supposed to star you and Kamala.
Yeah, you should tell me who told you that.
We just read it online.
Then don't believe what you read online.
Okay, when do we see you next teaming up with Yash Raj after
I have no idea. There's no discussion on a film right now.
शाहरुख कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट है ये आपके लिए, आपने यश जी के साथ में अपना काम किया है, तो कितना इमोशनल
Actually, it's very personal for me. I don't think I'll be able to express it, how emotional this is. It's a very personal moment for me to, have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot, of his last film. It's very emotional for me.
according to you set him apart from other filmmakers?
I don't think Yash ji can be compared with anyone to say that set him apart or not. I'm too young, I'm too small to comment on what set him apart. I think he was just unique in his own way, and like I said, wonderfully honest, earnest, straightforward, and very basic, very simple. I think the simplicity makes him extremely special.
But any movie which is very close to your heart of his, any movie of his which is very close
All
to
of them,
your
I
heart.
mean.
Any one if you can pick up. I'm sure it would be difficult, but
There's so many. I'm making one now, Ittifaq. I like that film of his. Waqt, very beautiful. And amongst my own, I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan, because that was the last film we did together.
any one movie which you would like.
जिस तरह यशराज जी पिक्चरें बनाते थे कॉमेडी ड्रामा, उनकी ही मूवी को उनके ही नक्शे कदम पे आजकल करण जोहर चल रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं लगता? मतलब उनकी मूवी की कमियां पूरी कर रहे हैं, जैसे करण जी पिक्चरें बनाते हैं आजकल उनकी तरह, मतलब ऐसा लगता है आपको?
नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक यश चोपड़ा जी की तरफ कोई फिल्म सर फोटो थैंक यू
आपकी और सोनम की फ्लाइट थी तो काफी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है, क्या आप और सोनम फ्यूचर में काम करोगे साथ में?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है? अब मैं जिस हीरोइन के साथ फ्लाइट में जाऊंगा उसके साथ काम कर लूँगा मैं।
इत्तेफाक में भी काम कर सकते हैं?
इत्तेफाक में सोनाक्षी सिन्हा है और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा हैं और अक्षय खन्ना है। बट आप कहोगे तो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम प्ले में मिलूंगा तो 100% कर लूँगा।
Shahrukh, would there be any movie? Would there be? Thank you.
I wanted to do the film. I wanted to do the film when I heard the script, but dates, other films, no, I can't. But the team right now who's doing it is very good also.
Shahrukh, thank you. Thank you.
थोड़ा भी सब वेट कर रहा है।
शाहरुख भाई यहाँ पे, शाहरुख सर यहाँ पे सर, शाहरुख भाई चलो
Shri Shatrughan Sinha ji and all the other distinguished guests on the dais and my friends from fraternity, I welcome you all this evening.
दिल में आंध्र प्रदेश बैठ गए, कहीं कहीं तो आंध्र प्रदेश नाम आता है। He is already governor of Maharashtra and in charge of Tamil Nadu, so by chance I said Andhra Pradesh also. And herself has got a beautiful voice. Perhaps if she has developed singing, she would have been said to Lata ji in the Ashok Day of that. And jury members, the Simi and Atul Kapoor has not come, and Bonnie Kapoor, and we all met and we had a great discussion. I must say, this of you, Shpila, if you think of it, of course, as a friend, if you institute, to be a great event for us, you also went very happy. Then I said, the award should be very prestigious. I said, we'll give every year 10 lakhs rupees cash award. And in the south, always Swarna Kankan bolta hai. Actually, you may not state understand. This is called Swarna Kankan. So, this Swarna Kankan award and citation will become every year to a versatile artist for their contribution to the film industry and culture. So at that time, the first year, we are given to Lata Mangeshkar. Is in charge. Such a busy personality. But he loves art and culture. He encourages. He's a great heart man, great personality. I'm very happy that on our request, he always encourages the art and culture, and he has come really very nice. And also, my tiger. Who is tiger? Shatrughan Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha, the way he acts like a tiger only. And even in parliament, the style he walks, you can see how his style. That is Shatrughan Sinha. My great friend. So I am extremely happy all are here. Yesterday only, I was in Visakhapatnam. Shivaratri, Mahashivaratri. There are so many festivals. Why you only call Mahashivaratri? Shiva, Maha. So I spent almost hours, and today I came back for this function. I'm full of energy with the divine blessings. So I want you also to get the blessings of Lord Shiva. Jat घटा घटा असंभ्रम भ्रमन्लिंप निच्छरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि भगत भगत भग ज्वलाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे यक्ष स्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाक हस्ताय सुदिव्य देहाय दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय हे भूताधिपतिये हे छंडासी धारापतिये हे रुद्र आज्ञापतिये ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल स्फुर स्फुर प्रस्फुर प्रस्फुर घोर घोर तर तन रूप चट चट पचित पचित कह बंद बंद घातय घातय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रचंड काली मच्छट विडंबिकंठ कंदर रुचि प्रबंध कंदरम स्मरच्चिदम पुरच्चिदम भवच्चिदम मुखच्चिदम गजच्चिदम तकच्चिदम स्मरांतकम पुरांतकम भवांतकम मकांतकम गजांतकम तम तकांतकम भजे. All of you must have good life, prosperity, good health. Lord Shiva bless you. And Shah Rukh Khan, 25 years nahi hai, 50 years in this thing. And also I am going to tell this one happy thing on this occasion. TV9, the most bright channel, one of the bright channels in the country, they're having language, so many languages. Ravi Prakash CEO is also here. Telugu, Kannada, Gujarat, all languages. They're having channels. English channel also is there, news channel. So TSR TV9, first time in Indian history, in the open grounds, where about 1 lakh crowd will be assembled in Visakhapatnam, April 8th. I am having National Film Awards.
And once he becomes your friend, he's your friend forever. And that's his greatest quality.
Now I request Mr. Shatrughan Sinha to speak. You don't want to speak? Don't worry, you want to speak, you have to go. No? Don't want to speak? You don't want to speak?
Not now.
When you speak, you have to go. No?
नहीं before go. बाकी लोग से बुलाओ ना.
You leave it. Now okay, I request Jayaprada to speak.
His Excellency, Governor of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Vidyasagar ji, respected Shatruji, Kalabandhu, Telugu Bidda, Honorable Member of Parliament, Subramanian Reddy ji, हमारे रेखा जी, श्रीमती सिमी अग्रवाल जी, दूत साहब, शशि जी, अनु जी, पद्मिनी जी, above all, our hero, King's Khan, Sri Shah Rukh Khan ji, Srimati Pamela ji, respected guests, good evening everybody. आज बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हम सब ऐसी हस्ती, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी के अवार्ड के सिलसिले में हम सब मौजूद हैं. वो कोई और नहीं, द लेजेंड यश चोपड़ा जी. उनके ख्यालों में, उनके बातों में कई साल से, लगभग 4 साल से ये सिलसिला देखते हुए आ रही हूँ. मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ, धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ सुब्बराम रेड्डी जी को। उन्होंने अपना फ्रेंडशिप को, स्नेह को हमेशा बरकरार रखना चाहते हैं। इसी के वजह से उन्होंने ये एसजी के यादों के लिए, उनके एहसास के लिए हमारे दिल में एक ताज़ा एहसास हमेशा रहना है, यही उनका ख्वाहिश है। इसी के वजह से ये अवार्ड्स का ये सिलसिला जारी किया है और लगातार जो ऐसे हकदार बनता है उन्हीं को अवार्ड जूरी चुनकर इन सब को, कलाकारों को सम्मान करना, इस अवार्ड को देना एक सिलसिला है। मैं एसजी के साथ काम नहीं कर पाई, लेकिन जब भी एसजी से मुलाकात होती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। हमेशा मैं फील करती थी कि मैं एसजी के साथ, क्योंकि लगभग सारी फिल्मों में मैंने हर डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मुझे मौका दिया, सिर्फ एसजी के साथ पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ है। आज एसजी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक पहचान दिया है, नेशनली इंटरनेशनली। एसजी आप लौट कर आ, तू लौट कर आ, तेरा आना ज़रूरी है, तो लौट कर आ, तेरा आना ज़रूरी है, तेरे बगैर ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री अधूरी है। हम सब उसी फिल्म्स को देखने के लिए हमारा आदत है। एसजी का एक अनोखा एक फील है, जो प्यार के लिए, जो रिश्ते के लिए उन्होंने जो जिस तरह का जो सब्जेक्ट्स चुना जाता था वो बहुत अहम होता था। और आज मैं एहसास कर रही हूँ, मैं ये गर्व एहसास कर रही हूँ कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री से ऐसे जो कलाकारों को लेकर आए हैं, उनमें से हमारे शाहरुख खान साहब भी हैं। और आज इतने बड़े स्टार होने के बावजूद आज आपने स्टेज में देखा होगा कि एक कुर्सी कमी हुई है तो उन्होंने उठकर वो कुर्सी लेकर दिया है। दैट इज़ द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ शाहरुख खान। शाहरुख खान जी के साथ हमारा एक छोटा सा एक याद है आई थी, तो उसके बाद फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हिंदी में करती थी फिल्म्स, तो एक दिन शाहरुख खान जी हमारे घर पर आए थे, तो हम लोग नायिका फिल्म करने वाले थे, लेकिन पता नहीं है। लेकिन ये बात इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ, इतना बड़ा हीरो होने के बावजूद भी वो घर आके हमारे साथ बैठ के एक फिल्म करने का उन्होंने जो बात की, तो वो मेरे लिए दिल पे हमेशा रहा है। आज मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये बड़ा है। और मैं धन्यवाद ये भी कहना चाहती हूँ सुब्बराम रेड्डी जी के लिए। सुब्बराम रेड्डी अगर यहाँ हमारे साथ नहीं होते तो आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक फ्रेंडशिप के द्वारा एक पॉलिटिक्स हर एक करते हैं, बिजनेस हर एक करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा अपना पैसा लगा के जो कलाकारों को लिए सम्मान करना, ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। उसके लिए मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ, गिव हिम ए बिग हैंड। मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहती हूँ प्रमिला जी को भी। आज एसजी के याद में आप सब इंडस्ट्री में अभी भी एसजी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि हमारे बीच में नहीं है, हमारे बीच में ना होते हुए भी एसजी हमारे साथ हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Now, Rekha ji, speak.
Sir, first.
I'm the messenger. I'm passing it. If you're speaking, would you like to speak from there?
Good evening, Your Excellency, Subiji, my esteemed colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. There have been a lot of superlatives this evening. Not enough, if you ask me, but I can't match them. But I am reminded of a small story, which I'm going to share with you. You may have heard of it, but it bears repeating. There was a CEO of a multinational who was taking job interviews for various categories. So the recruits came in one by one. The first one introduced himself and he said, my name is Johann von Graf, I am German, and I am a master at cyber security systems. So he was impressed, he went away. The next man came in and he said, my name is François Dupont, I am from France, and I am a master architect. So that was good. Then after that came lots of different people. There was a pilot, an astronaut, lawyers, doctors, whatever. Finally, the last man came in and introduced himself. And he said, I'm Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm an Indian. The CEO says, well, what's your specialty? He says, I can be whatever you want me to be. I'm an actor. And that is Shah Rukh Khan. He's an actor. So if you're looking for a hockey coach, he's your man. If you want a life coach, he can do that too. A romantic lover, absolutely. A murderer, yes. An emperor, even a ghost. He can do it all with aplomb. But I must tell you something. I feel, truly, I really, really feel Shah Rukh Khan, the person, is far more fascinating than all the 80 characters he's portrayed on screen. So Shah Rukh, thank you for the wit and the entertainment, for never, ever disappointing, for never growing up, for the magic, the thrills, the 35 years of entertainment you've given us. By accepting this Yash Chopra Memorial Award, you are allowing us to tell you in such a public way how much we honor and admire and indeed love you. Thank you.
I request His Excellency to speak.
My esteemed friend and member of the Parliament, Dr. T. Subramanian Reddy, Member of Parliament, Srimati Rekhaji, former Union Minister and my close friend, Sri Shatrughan Sinha, Srimati Simi Grewal, Srimati Pamela Chopra, Sri Venupal Dut, Srimati Jayaprada ji, Srimati Padmini Kolhapur, and other members of the selection jury. The brightest star of today's evening, Sri Shah Rukh Khan, Sri Shashi Ranjan, and Srimati Anuranjan, invitees, dear friends. I thought that my chance will come at the last, but the order is something changed here. I'm truly delighted and very happy also, so that I can complete my job. I'm truly delighted to associate myself with the presentation of the Yash Chopra Memorial National Award, instituted by the TSR Foundation. This is for the third consecutive year that I am attending this function. Any invitation coming from Dr. Subramanian Reddy is like a command from a brother. You cannot say no to him. He has infinite power of persuasion, and he is also close to Lord Shiva himself. Dr. Subramanian Reddy's affection, warmth, and magnetic pull draws me here. Dr. Subramanian Reddy is a multifaceted personality. He is an industrialist, and a politician, parliamentarian, a philanthropist, and above all, a warm hearted and religious-minded person. I don't know why he could not become film star, only that is left. He is an excellent party host. The title of hosting the most powerful packed parties in India will surely go to Dr. Subbirama Reddy. It is his personal friendship that endeared him to people cutting across the entire political spectrum and other walks of life. As a film producer, Dr. Subbirama Reddy has produced some of the finest films, including a couple of films by Yash Chopra ji. I am grateful to him for inviting me to this function and giving me the honor to felicitate Sri Shah Rukh Khan, an icon in the world of the Indian cinema. Dear friends, the Yash Chopra Memorial Award has been presented, as stated earlier, to stalwarts like Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshkar, Sri Amitabh Bachchan, and Srimati Rekha. There could not have been any other person matching this stature of the past recipients than Sri Shah Rukh Khan ji. Late Sri Yash Chopra ji recognized the power and potential of Sri Shah Rukh Khan quite early on. It was Sri Yash Chopra ji who is credited with shaping the film career of Shah Rukh Khan. Between the year 1993, when he first cast Shah Rukh Khan ji in his film Dar, till the year 2012, Yash Chopra and Shah Rukh Khan gave the world some of the most entertaining films. Needless to say, Yash Chopra often cast Shah Rukh Khan in his films. Shah Rukh Khan is a brilliant phenomenon to have happened to Indian film industry. Long before he came to be known as a king of romance, he was known as a passionate person and a passionate actor. We have been watching his passion right from the days he played a commando in the television serial Fauzi. It is difficult to survive at a top position for such a long period, but Shah Rukh Khan has dominated Bollywood for more than 25 years. The Yash Chopra National Memorial Award is a fitting recognition to a top-class actor and an equally great human being. I congratulate Sri Shah Rukh Khan ji for this national award named after Sri Yash Chopra ji. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian film industry is the biggest film industry. As a governor, I cannot go without giving one suggestion to you. I venture to say that the appeal of the Indian film industry far exceeds the appeal of the Hollywood. You go to Egypt, you go to Indonesia, you go to Pakistan, the Arab world, or even the Central Asian republics. Recently I heard a former president of Uzbekistan singing Raj Kapoor's song, erstwhile Raj Kapoor's song, Aavara Hoon, like that I saw in the YouTube. Such is the popularity of the Indian films and film stars that they are familiar names in these countries. Raj Kapoor was only known personality to the Russians because there was a confrontation between the rich and poor. Entire Russian, before they split again, they were feeling that Raj Kapoor was not only a hero, a political leader, a pro-rich gentleman there. That was the credit of the film industry in India. As a governor, I am supposed to host a number of banquets to the foreign dignitaries, ambassadors, and kings and others. Recently, President of Guyana and almost all the ambassadors, before talking to the various programs of the state and opportunities where they can spend some money, finally they end their topic with the film industry of the Mumbai and this country. That is greatness. Earlier I never realized When we called as a party Shatrughan Sinha ji to Telangana, which is an excellently infested and terrorist place, his one tour, there was a sea change among the people and villagers. That is the power of this industry. And after assuming the charge as the governor, when I saw from almost all country ambassadors and the kings, and particularly the Guyana president, for him I hosted a banquet in the Raj Bhavan. Generally the procedure is after the over of the banquet, during the course of banquet, a police department, they sing all the film songs, police band, they play it. While going out, at the end of the party, we are supposed to distribute sweets to the police personnel. I'll give one packet from our side, and the guest also give his packet to them. But the Guyana president was insisting to hear one more song from them, and we agreed. Then he wanted to sing himself one more song, Hindi song. See, this is the beauty of our cinefield here. Therefore, the quantum of the goodwill generated by the Indian films in the world is unparalleled. I would say Indian film industry is the best cultural ambassador of India to the entire world. Quite often, people blame Indian films for creating bad influence on the minds of the young people. Sometimes films are blamed for this increased crime against the women. Nothing can be further from truth. Films have given happiness and joy to the rich and poor of this country and the world at the very little cost. They cannot cause bad influence on the people. On the contrary, so long as the person is watching the film, he remains away from all kinds of vices. Rather, he is restrained from indulging any crime. If films cause bad influence on society, what about these mobile phones? Today, even a young boy or girl with a smartphone having access to internet has all the bad content in hands. The point I wish to state is that it is wrong to blame films for all ills in the society. On the other hand, the film industry and the films are rendering invaluable service to the society. I personally feel that the film industry should have a think tank. Film industry, there is a money, glamour, and everything is there. But it is the bounden duty of the film industry to give some suggestions to the government, central government or state government. So you should have a think tank to provide a definite direction to the society. Film industry has a vast influence on the society, especially on the youth. Today, India will be the youngest nation in the world by 2020. The age of the Indian would be only 29 years, that is 9 years younger than American or a Chinese. So we have to, it is a demographic dividend for us. But if they are not, a good message is not given to youngsters, it will be a demographic dividend for us, disaster for us. So we can harness the power of the youth for constructive and nation building work, provided we give a proper direction to the youth. It is here the Bollywood has to play a crucial role in inspiring and encouraging our youth and involving them in the nation building effort. There are a number of programs.
He's a great hero. He's a great philanthropist. But सबसे important, he's a great friend. And he has been always there with us, all of us. और ख़ासकर कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्राइसिस में, तो चंद नाम जो सबसे पहले सामने आता है, उसमें सबसे अव्वल नाम आता है सुबीराम रेड्डी का, एटलीस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर्ट एंड कल्चर. और ऐसे सुबीराम रेड्डी ने जो ना सिर्फ यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, लेट एंड ग्रेट यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, बल्कि उनकी स्मृति को और उनकी याद को इस तरह मजबूती के साथ हमेशा तरोताज़ा किया है, उस अवार्ड के ज़रिए हमारी आदरणीय श्रीमती पैम चोपड़ा जी को जिस तरह आमंत्रित करके उनके नेतृत्व में इस तरह इस कार्यक्रम को पेश करके जो किया है वो बहुत सराहनीय है, प्रशंसनीय है, बहुत ही अनुकरणीय है. पीपल शुड लर्न. सुबीराम रेड्डी इज़ अ रोल मॉडल इन ट्रू सेंस. बहरहाल सबसे पहले मैं आवर फ्रेंड एंड ऑफ कोर्स हिज एक्सलेंसी द गवर्नर, द ग्रेट गवर्नर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम तमिलनाडु, श्री हमारे जो गवर्नर साहब हैं उनको, मंच पे जो उपस्थित हैं हमारे आदरणीय पैम चोपड़ा जी, सिमी गरेवाल जी, हमारी कलीग, हमारी फ्रेंड, हमारी चहेती लाडली रेखा जी, हमारे जयप्रदा जी, और बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड सुबीराम रेड्डी के ही श्रेणी में आते हैं वो हैं श्री वीएन दूत, हमारे बहुत बढ़िया सहयोगी और अब तो इंटरटेनमेंट के कल्चरल एम्बेसडर हो चुके हैं हमारे दोस्त शशि रंजन और उनकी पत्नी श्रीमती अनुरंजन. और यहाँ पे जितने लोग, हमारी पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरे जो आई हैं, जो कल जैसी थी आज भी वैसे ही हैं और कल भी वैसे ही रहेंगे, इस बात का दावा है. बहुत ही सुंदर हमारी. और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण यहाँ पे महत्वपूर्ण विषय पे आने से पहले, उन पे आने से पहले गवर्नर साहब की परमिशन से मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत पहले एक मैंने बहुत बड़े स्टार का हमने देखा था इंटरव्यू, और वो कह रही थी, उनसे पूछा गया कि स्टार बनने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ क्या है, वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड शी सेड इन वन वर्ड, पैशन. उसी तरह से एक बार मैं हमारे दोस्त एंड लेजेंडरी स्टार एंड स्टार ऑफ द मिलेनियम इन ट्रू सेंस अमिताभ बच्चन को मैं सुन रहा था किसी टेलीविजन इंटरव्यू पे, और उनसे पूछा गया था कि व्हाट वुड यू एट्रीब्यूट योर सक्सेस टू, आपकी सफलता का राज क्या है, आप किसे इसका श्रेय देंगे. और अमिताभ बच्चन ने कहा, एक शब्द में मैं कहूँगा, और उन्होंने कहा लक, यानी एक्स फैक्टर, लक, पैशन. पैशन और लक का साथ मैंने देखा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, तो बहुत कम लोगों में देखा है, और एकदम उन पे समा जाता है. जैसे एक तो अमिताभ बच्चन खुद हैं, और साथ ही साथ है यश चोपड़ा जी, जाहिर है आपने भी खुद देखा ये भी, उनके बारे में तो कहा जा सकता है कि हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा, वंस इन ए ब्लू मून, शायद कभी कभी ऐसी शख्सियत पैदा होती है. और हमारे बीच जो यश चोपड़ा जी रहे, पैशन और लक के साथ साथ, टैलेंट के साथ साथ, जो आज नहीं हैं लेकिन फिर भी वो हमारे बीच में हैं, मार्गदर्शक बनकर, रोल मॉडल बनकर. और उसी तरह से हमारे अपने एनर्जी किंग, राइट फ्रॉम जीरो टू हीरो की कहानी को साकार करता हुआ, जिस तरह से शाहरुख खान ने, जिसे मैंने एनर्जी किंग कहा, शाहरुख खान ने जिस तरह से टैलेंट, कमिटमेंट, डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन के साथ साथ पैशन को जिस तरह समाकर उभारा है अपने आप को, वो अद्भुत है, वो कमाल है, बेमिसाल है. ये है शाहरुख खान. और इनको आज सुबीराम रेड्डी जी और हमारे यश चोपड़ा की स्मृति में आदरणीय पैम चोपड़ा जी और अब तमाम लोग मिलकर, और गवर्नर साहब हमारे यहाँ पे खुद आए फेसिलिटेट करने के लिए, और हमें भी शामिल किया गया है आप लोगों के साथ साथ. ये मेरे लिए समझता हूँ सौभाग्य का विषय है. गज़ब हैं, धन्य हैं आप लोग, और धन्य है हमारा अपना शाहरुख खान, जिसके बारे में अभी हमारे दोस्त और गवर्नर साहब ने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की हैं. प्रोटोकॉल का तकाजा है कि मैं गवर्नर साहब को हमारा ज़्यादा नहीं कह सकता हूँ, और गवर्नर साहब के सामने कुछ और वो भी नहीं कह सकता हूँ जिस वक्त कहना चाहिए था. कुछ लोग सुनना चाह रहे थे कि आप इस वक्त शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, चुनाव चल रहा है, देश में इतनी खलबली मची हुई है, और आप इस वक्त यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं. मैं इसके लिए इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, जानता हूँ कि कोई पॉलिटिकल मंच नहीं है, प्रोटोकॉल का तकाजा है और हमारे गवर्नर साहब हैं, इसलिए ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कहूँगा कि उनकी शान और मान मर्यादा में कहीं कोई खटास हो, कहीं कोई दाग हो लगे। लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि ये इलेक्शन के दरमियान कुछ लोगों की नज़रों में शायद मैं इनवाइटेड नहीं हूँ और कुछ लोगों की नज़रों में शायद मैं इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ। बहरहाल मैं अपने बारे में ही कह सकता हूँ, इस घड़ी में चुनाव का नतीजा 11 को आएगा और हम सब चाहते हैं कि देश के हित में हो, प्रदेश के हित में हो, सबके लिए अच्छा हो, अच्छे लोग सामने आए, हमारे लोग सामने आए, ये आई होप विश एंड प्रे। लेकिन शाहरुख खान पे या ये जो जादू है सुबीराम रेड्डी का या शाहरुख खान का कि सब कुछ छोड़कर, सारी दीवारों को तोड़कर मैं आज इस वक्त यहाँ आया हूँ सिर्फ इसी चाहत पे, सिर्फ शाहरुख खान के लिए और सुबीराम रेड्डी के आदेश को अध्यादेश मानते हुए मैं आया हूँ। इसलिए लेकिन एक शेर जैसा कि कहना चाहिए इस वक्त, वो शाहरुख खान पे भी लागू होता है, बीच बीच में लोग इनको छेड़ना शुरू करते हैं और वो अच्छी बात नहीं है, कुछ हमारे लोग भी छेड़ते हैं, वो गलत बात है। किसी कलाकार से, जैसा आपने यूँ कहा, गवर्नर साहब ने कहा कि विद्यासागर राव जी ने भी आपके सामने इतने अच्छे से पेश किया कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री और फिल्में हमें कंट्रीब्यूट करती हैं, हैप्पीनेस देती हैं, एंटरटेन करती हैं, लोगों को आगे बढ़ाती हैं। फिल्मों पे दोष देना, इल्ज़ाम देना बहुत आसान है कि साहब फिल्में ख़राब कर रही हैं, वायलेंस बढ़ा रही हैं और दंगे फसाद करवाती हैं और औरतों की इज्जत नहीं। कि हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो किसी फिल्म में वो डावरी नहीं लेता है, हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो फिल्म में रिश्वत नहीं लेता है, हमारा कोई भी हीरो हो फिल्म में औरतों का अपमान नहीं करता, छेड़छाड़ कर देता है थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन अपमान नहीं करता। ये कर सो हमारे हीरोज़, हमारे फिल्म वाले इतना अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। मैं तो लड़ता हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, आप जानते हैं, और इसीलिए आज मैंने बहुत ज़ोरदार ताली बजाई जब गवर्नर साहब ने खुद ये बातें कही और मेरे दिल को छू गई कि देखो कितना समझदारी से, कितनी बेहतरी से, कितने अच्छे से